All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, where today we're talking about the Neewer RGB panel light. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Neewer, however you want to say it, I've used their products for years. I've got 4 of their regular LED panel lights. I've got 2 here and then 2 at the shop that I use to film my other channel. I've literally used their products for years. I have had literally 0 problems with them, other than the stands at the shop are starting to get a little loose. But other than that, I've had literally no problems with the product. So trying to look for a solution to my background light situation. I've tried several different solutions. We're not going to go into all that, but my issue with always been my background has been plain beige wall. I've got a cool computer, monitors, but I'm shooting behind a beige wall. I mean, it's a beige wall. I could repaint it, but it still would be a plain wall. And you know, until I add some, I'm honestly trying to figure out exactly what I want to put there. Haven't come up with what I want. I thought about some stuff and then realized, oh, that's really expensive and would be difficult to shoot against, so no. Let's talk about the Neewer RGB panel light I have. Now it has a app. The app is okay. It's not super precise. When you go to control the RGB, it is Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but you know, it is usable. Not the most fine-tunable app. You can only go so far before it jumps to the next color. So, you know, every time you click it, it moves a color temperature, and depending on the color, I look well, pink in the video. You've got a good bit of, purple looks kind of good. You've got a good bit of adjustment on the colors. You've got color temperature and brightness. One of the things that is kind of weird is when you go to change the color temperature, it goes to white. But if you click the hue, it goes back to the color. So just kind of an annoyance of the app itself. Brightness, obviously, is the brightness. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You've got saturation. They do have pre-programmed scenes that you can click on in the app. By the way, it is available on iOS and Android. You can fire truck, go lightning, paparazzi. TV screen. I don't even know how many people watching this video will remember a static screen. You know, you got fireworks, you got party. But honestly, most people are going to use it on the regular app. So this is a single light illuminating all this back here. I will be adding a second one for that corner. Because I've screwed around so much trying to fix this situation, I have decided that I was only going to buy one right now, knowing I needed 2. So I've got another one on order that will go in that corner and help light that up. Now, one of the things that can be a concern, now it wasn't an issue for me, it comes with a tabletop clamp style mount. It does not come with a tripod. It comes with something that clamps onto your tabletop, desk or whatever. For me, in my situation, I've got IKEA tabletops with Alex drawers, and the only place on that side of the table that I have that I can mount it, it literally doesn't fit. It would put the light too far against the wall and literally wouldn't fit. So I've actually got it mounted to one of my other Neewer stands. I've taken that mount and clamped it to my desk over here and put my fill light off camera. And it actually works really well for that, so just something to be concerned with. That's what the option I got came with, is a tabletop mount. It might be available with the stand. I'll have to look and see. It's definitely something you need to understand that might have issues with depending on your situation. Overall, really happy with how well it casts light. It comes with a barn doors to help you focus the light, and really a lot of options on the app to fine tune to some extent what colors are in your background. So if you're looking for a background light, this is definitely a good option. So as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.